Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the disabled attribute in the HTML input element. Okay, so as the name suggests, whenever you want to disable a input, you can use the disabled attribute. Okay, so let's create another paragraph element, and inside of that, let's create the input element. And here it is the type of text. That is good. So if I just save that and go to the browser, as you can see, this is the normal input. Okay, and I can type something. Okay, all right. But now if I just add the disabled attribute, okay, now if I just save that, as you can see, this input is now grayed out. I cannot click or interact with this particular input. Okay, so if you want to disable an input, you can use the disabled attribute. And you might be thinking like, hey, why would I like to disable an input? For example, you are building a form, and unless or until someone fills up one value, for example, their name, you don't want to put their email or the username. So you can just disable that input unless or until they have filled out the form. Okay, and that has to be done with some sort of JavaScript. Okay, so yeah, so these are some of the use cases of the disabled input basically. So it is basically for all of the types as well. So if I just uncomment this one, this is for the date. Okay, the date picker. And now if I just add a disabled, okay, all right, if I just do that, as you can see, I cannot click or interact with the date picker anymore. Okay, so this is the disabled attribute. So whenever you want to disable an input, you have to use the disabled attribute to do so. Okay, all right. So what I'll do, I'll just get rid of this one and just comment out this particular paragraph. Awesome. Okay,